Well, hello my dear creative, and welcome to this unpacking video. It's gonna be very emotional. At the end I'll show you my first interior sketches which I made on iPad, and if you're excited to learn which app for interior sketchers I installed firsthand, then of course watch this video till the very end. So on apple.com I ordered iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation and Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Oh, wow! Wow! Вау, какие цветочки тут красивые. Second generation. Вот тут second generation. Мой iPad. Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil. Ух ты, вот он наш красавчик, Smartfolio. Online School of Sketching by Ольга Сорокина, ЛТД, пожалуйста. Ту-ту-ту-ту-ту-ру-ту-ту. Это мой новый iPad. Пока чисти. Вау.
Идеально, сразу сел.
Мой Apple. Happy Creative.
Какой мягкий.
О, обалдеть.
Какое нежное сочетание получается у меня. iPad. И вот по нему так буду этим рисовать. О, как приятно.
As you could notice, I ordered not only iPad Pro and Apple Pencil, but also a Smartfolio in light pink. It's really great to protect my screen, and you have 2 different folding options for it. Back to school, school is school. Так буду рисовать. And as I promised at the beginning of this video, my very first interior sketch and the app I first downloaded is of course Procreate. So I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in my upcoming online course on interior sketching in Procreate.